cold.
Yeah.
Dang, this thing is straight. It was not dusty like this. Torresama. Fan shroud, now the fans. This headlight is done completely. This one. Bracket. Completely. Pictures do not look this dusty.
I got a pressure washer. Should I start it?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to start it.
Why don't that door?
Yeah.
I think that door open. It's just it squeaks like that.
Did you open it all the way?
No. Is the fender? Oh.
I think it's dead completely.
It's dead?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's dead.
Yeah, it's dead.
Alright, I can grab a battery charger for you.
Alright, for sure.
The rear end looks nice.
Yeah?
Yeah, we don't really know. Kind of has a little diffuser. Not a diffuser, but just like if you look all the way on the bottom, the little black part.
Oh yeah?
I didn't even know it has that.
Yeah.
Why is it like that?
Might have a problem with the airbag, but honestly it looks like it's been sitting for so long.
Yeah, I think if you start, it's gonna go back up.
It should. That's what I want to check right now.
What'd you say about the brakes in the back?
They're brand new.
Oh, okay.
These brakes, I think, have been replaced as well with the rotors. It's just been sitting for a long time. As you can see, this thing is all dusty. It's currently bagged, all deflated, so we're gonna try to start it up. Hopefully it rises up to a normal level, and then we'll know. That should be all right. Got some kind of Michelin tires. Fronts are good. These look okay. Battery is going to be right there. There's the key. Thank you. And they started it as well?
They're gonna start it, yeah.
Okay.
Right after you plug it in, you should be able to go in and
Alright, sweet.
start it.
And there it is. My weekend is coming to an end. Going back on my shift on Wednesday till Saturday. I work 10-hour shifts a day. I'm a mechanic, and until from Wednesday to Saturday. So it was nice. Took a little, breather. Sold my Panamera. But both my brother and I were back, Copart market trying to find another car. I got a 240, but he's currently Carlos. Wait, Carles. Wait, no, he's Eugene. Gene Thangs. But anyways, he's looking for a car. He's trying to get something. So the M3 was a no-go. And the E55, actually, from this video, I played it. But I keep saying play. I know you guys hating me for that. It's just, my other language. That's how we kind of say it. Like, yo, would you play that car? But, I bid on that car. I placed bids, whatever. But I lost the bids. Car went for $5,300. I went up to $5,100. So we lost it. We're not going to overbid. That's already a high bid. Checked out the cars you guys see from the videos, or what maybe you didn't know. Just sum it up. Panorama roof, or however you pronounce that, was not working. Steering wheel scratched up, navi scratched up, and the power sunshade in the rear wasn't working. Needed a little bit of work there. The damage, as I seen from pictures, same thing. Other than the shroud and the fan was cracked, needed replacing. So that was like $150, no biggie. But pretty much with all the damages, to get this car running and all looking nice and clean, we calculated we'd probably need to spend about $2,300 on it. So if somebody bid it for $5,300 plus Copart fees and taxes, that's already easily $6,300. And then $6,300 plus $2,300, that's $8,600. Is that car worth for that much? And plus, you might have to, always add something or take away something. So around $8,600. Is it worth it? I personally think no. I just seen an E55 sell for $10,000, but it sold real quick. It had 80-something thousand miles, all records. It sold like as soon as it was posted on Craigslist. I'm from California, but I seen it was in Washington. It got sold real quick. So still, like $8,600 for a salvage title is not worth it. I could probably get one for 10, 11, or 12 any day, as long as you find one for sale. So we're gonna pass on that. It's a good thing we didn't win it. So that's gonna be it, you guys. Stay tuned for more. We're gonna try to get something. My brother's still on the lookout. He wants a BMW only, pretty much. Me, whatever pops out. That's kind of nice and I enjoy. So you guys check this winning bid video. We recorded the screen. You guys could check it out. I actually bid it but lost it. So thanks for staying tuned. All the subscribers recently subscribing. Thank you. 4 Wheel Fun Bros, we out.
Ooh, right there.
I don't think I got it.
You got it. The final bid.
Dang,
Bonus time. Me bonus time. Oh, no.
Okay, I didn't get it good. That was a close call.
52 sold. Bonus time or so.
Bonus time.
Could have been your bid too. 52, you wanted to do that bid?
Yeah, it's all me.
Oh, 53, you would have taken it out.
Somebody else.